Market surges as Powell hints at rate cuts. Nifty targets 23,000 in bullish momentum. The good news, Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's in semi-annual testimony before Congress has said that rate cuts likely appropriate this year. Powell further said, there's no reason to think that the U.S. economy is in or in some kind of short-term risk of falling into recession. Powell noted that the U.S. economy expanded more than 3% in 2023, nearly twice as fast as what is viewed as its top sustainable growth rate. In overnight trade, Wall Street moved sharply higher, as Powell indicated policy rate is likely at its peak. Focus now turns to U.S. non-farm payrolls to trickle in on Friday. 8th March will be crucial. After Friday's NFP, we'll get to more inflation reports next week, the Consumer Price Index, CPI, on 12th March, and the Producer Price Index, PPI, on 14th March. And then after that, the Fed has their FOMC meeting on March 19-20th. Bottom line, permabulls are anxious to hear when the Federal Reserve might begin to cut rates. The chatter of Fed rate cut should ideally lift Nifty towards 23,000 mark. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs net bought to the tune of Rs 2767 crores. DIIs to bought to the tune of Rs 2150 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Sentiment is likely to be bullish. Nifty's technicals suggesting massive breakout on the upside with sequence of higher high-low on all time frames. F&O data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 23,000 zone. India VIX has cooled further towards 14.29 levels. Nifty PCR, 7th March, is at 1.34. Nifty PCR, 28th March, is at 1.33. Nifty outlook, all bullish eyes on Nifty 23,000 mark with an intermonth perspective. Nifty, CMP to 2474. Support, 22,200 to 22,000. Resistance, 22,600 to 22,700. Range, 22,200 to 22,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 47965. Support, 47,400 to 47,200. Resistance, 48,300 to 48,500. Range, 47,200 to 48,500. Bias, sideways to bullish. In yesterday's trade, Nifty scaled fresh record highs at 22,497.20. The positive takeaway was that bulls regained firm footing after wobbling in morning session. The three positive catalysts. 1. Private banks star outperformers as the US dollar licks its wounds below 104. 2. India VIX below 15 levels. 3. Technically, higher high-low play. Amongst stock-specific news, the government is going to sell 5% shareholding in NLC India, with an option to additionally sell another 2% shares via offer for sale on 7th March and 11th March. The Ministry of Railways has placed an offer to the Jupiter Wagons for manufacture and supply of 2,237 numbers of Bosom wagons for a contract value of 956.88 crore rupees. Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL, has signed an amendment to the LCA, Light Combat Aircraft, IOC, Initial Operational Clearance, contract. The value of the contract has been revised from 2,700.87 crore rupees to 5,077.95 crore rupees.